Spartan GoLive camera is the newest camera available with Spartan Camera in 2021. It is the first camera capable of live streaming in the trail camera industry. We'd like to take this opportunity to show you how to live stream with the camera. Now you can view what's going on in front of your camera in near real time. Whether you're monitoring lands, cabins, or hunting grounds, the Spartan GoLive camera will keep you informed with its amazing live streaming feature. First, make sure that you've registered the live stream within the camera itself. Make sure your camera is sending properly and set it up however you like. Once all that's done, here's how you activate the live stream. To activate live streaming, simply open your app. Once on the home page, you will see the live function in green. The live button will be green if the camera is ready to start a live stream. If not, it will be gray. Press the live button next to the individual GoLive camera and start receiving your live feed. The camera will say, "Waking up live stream." Then, you will see whatever your camera is looking at. It's as easy as that. When live streaming, you have the capability to screenshot and/or record what you are streaming, and then save the footage. Please note that using the live stream function will use up a lot of battery and data. There are built-in reminders after 5 and 15 minutes of the live stream running that will remind you that it is still running. This will help prevent using too much battery and data. Take a look at some of our live streaming footage here. When you are not live streaming, the Spartan GoLive camera will function just like a regular trail camera, like our Spartan Go Camera Ghost. Check out our other guides for tips and tricks on how to get the best performance out of your camera. Thank you for watching.